Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT KingKong Mini 3 and I will show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, firstly, swipe up the screen and go to the settings application, where we tap on our settings application, to Google Chrome application. There are 3 dots on the right corner and settings. Now password manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords. We can tap on maybe Messenger. There we must add our look screen to do that. Maybe we set our pattern. We add pattern, and after we add it, we can manage our Google passwords. And now we must enter our look screen to manage it, and there we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also edit it by click on edit, and we can add something or delete, and the same story with password. We can also add note, which we see in our manager of Messenger passwords. When we change something, we can press save to save it, and the last step we can delete all by delete and confirm by delete. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.